Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change brake light Hyundai Santa Fe 2017. Park on level ground, open the trunk, and remove the interior trim panels to reach the third brake light housing. Use a screwdriver or socket to remove screws, unplug the connector, and replace the bulb or LED module with the correct part. Reinstall panels, test the brake light by pressing the pedal, and secure all clips. Wear gloves and eye protection. Start by gathering the essential tools and the correct replacement bulb or LED module for your Santa Fe. Use a trim pry tool to avoid breaking plastic clips and a socket to remove mounting screws smoothly. Keep a clean cloth to protect painted surfaces and gloves to handle bulbs safely. Verify part compatibility before installing and keep fasteners organized so reassembly is straightforward and efficient. Begin by carefully prying off interior trim to expose the brake light screws and keep clips in a safe place. Remove the mounting screws, gently pull out the housing, and disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the release tab. Replace the bulb or LED module with the correct type, reconnect the harness, and temporarily test the brake light by pressing the pedal. Once confirmed working, tighten screws snugly and reattach trim securely before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.